Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable notification sounds on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select System on the left side, and then on the right side, select Notifications. You can also search for it in the Start menu search as well. And you want to select Notifications again up here. So go ahead and select the Notifications button. And then where it says Allow Notifications to Play Sounds, go ahead and uncheck that option. And then once you're done with that, you should be able to just close out of here. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.